John from Myrrells Home Inspections. We're doing an inspection in Socastee, South Carolina today, and haven't even gotten in the house yet. So we're just doing our outside walk around, and we have noticed an instant problem here. What we're looking at up there, if I can zoom in on you, that is the secondary backup condensate drain line. In other words, there should never be anything coming out of that. Main line is down by the ground, usually coming out of the house, and it should be dripping all the time. The one up there that you're seeing is over a window on purpose. The idea there, as you can see, the idea there is that if you were to start seeing something coming out of this line, that means water is backed up, has gone into the condensate pan underneath the condenser unit in the attic. As you can see, we actually got a mud puddle here starting, and it's dripping right off the roof. Again, if you're seeing something like that, that means there's something wrong with the system, whether the main condensate line is clogged or the unit is not functioning right and overworking. It's not that hot out today for it to be doing that, so something is not right. This is a dead giveaway. It's a hint for people to call their HVAC guys and get them out and find out what's going on as far as servicing. So that's something we'll be looking at when we get inside. Again, it's John with Myrrells Home Inspections. We do all the Grand Strand, Horry County, Georgetown County areas. You can give us a shout, 843-251-4868.